Small bugs flying out of and around your drains is the last thing that you or your employees want to deal with. Keep watching for a solution to this problem. Today, we're talking about No Contest, a chemical designed to get rid of the buildup that drain flies thrive in. Let's start off with the basics. What is No Contest? No Contest is a gel drain treatment chemical that is formulated to provide maximum protection for drain systems. This product contains neem oil, as well as 5 different strains of bacteria. The neem oil allows No Contest to coat the surface of the drain lines, covering the organic matter that drain flies flourish in, and the 5 strains of bacteria break down and clear the buildup. This product also contains enzymes that can treat drains with normal cellulose buildup. Who is No Contest a good fit for? No Contest is designed to treat the food source of drain flies, so if you actively have drain flies in your facility, this may be the product for you. If your drain lines face organic matter, proteins, starches, or grease, this may also be the product for you, as you could eventually face a drain fly problem due to the buildup if not maintained properly. Lastly, if your drain systems have regular cellulose buildup, this may also be the solution for you. Who is No Contest not a good fit for? If you are not directly facing a drain fly problem or cellulose buildup, No Contest may not be the best solution for your problem. When and why do I need No Contest? With any drain maintenance product, we recommend starting treatment before you ever encounter an issue. In any case, it is much better to be ahead of the issue rather than trying to come up with a solution at an inopportune time. That being said, if you just noticed a drain fly issue at your facility, it's not too late. No Contest will still work to cover and break down the organic matter causing issues in your drain. How much does No Contest cost? The cost of No Contest can vary depending on numerous factors such as location, but it should fall somewhere in this range per usage. When purchasing drain care chemicals, it is important to consider the cost of alternate solutions if you allow the problems to worsen. To purchase No Contest, head over to our website at www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get into contact with one of our state representatives. All drains are different, and the easiest way to determine the solution that best suits your facility's needs would be a survey from one of our experienced sales representatives.